Good morning, Just. Hell yeah, Colin Moses. Glad you like the content. See if we can get a good trade today. Hey, good morning, Corrupt Nut. Hey, what's up, Torino? Doing pretty good today. Everything's dumping though. Bitcoin. Interesting. There was an hourly kangaroo on Bitcoin. Just actually exploded. Got some bullish divergence too. What's up, Ricky? Did it ever break out of that daily zone? If we break this, maybe I should look at the weekly NASDAQ chart. Definitely on a weekly zone. Are we looking at crazy drop this morning? Or some buys? Interesting route we are on this zone for. We have some bearish divergence. Yeah, since markets aren't open very much long today, might be worth it to take this trade. It's all. I mean, it's all on the trend line. I think this would be but the market's only open like 3 hours, I think. What time do they close exactly? No, this is actually on the... It's a 15-minute trend line. Bearish divergence. Yeah, fuck it. I'm gonna enter it. And I'll just go for 2 hours. I think it lines up with the influence. I mean, bad news, obviously, right? Yeah, that'll be the trade. That will be the trade of the morning. Hey, good morning, Engine. Good morning, FOREX and FX. I was looking at the 15-minute was going crazy though at the open yesterday. Nice 15-minute KT with the bullish divergence. And then in the middle of the night, another 15-minute KT with divergence. Oh, that's actually an M. Off the M. Hey, what's going on, Dr. Dollar? You taking any trades this morning? Maybe I should zoom out and see. I mean, we're only going for 2 hours here, but... I mean, if it breaks that next weekly zone, that's just gonna go down a lot. Like right here, down to... I mean, that would be a nice juicy trade, but I mean, the markets aren't gonna be open that long. But it's Monday. It's Monday. I'll just keep the 2 hours. I'm not gonna get greedy today. Shit, I'm just looking for this short here on the 15-minute. See this nice trend line. Bearish news, so I think it has a good chance to retest down here the lows like an hour or two ago. No, 5:30. Between 5:15 and 5:30, so. Hey, what's up in the blue? I'm not going to move any stops because that's not, I mean, if I move that tonight, I'm not even giving it any breathing room. Diamond hands. I gotta start trading some of these London sessions though. I know Dr. Dollar, that's his specialty. London session streams. Yep, up to lots. I was tired of risking. I mean, my typical risk was just $100 to $200, but I'd be up like 3 or 4 hours, but I didn't want $400 profits. I was like, you know what? I need some bigger risk. So 2 weeks ago, I started doing $500 minimum risk. Get a $2,000 trade on, I think it was Thursday? No, Friday? Let me see. Let me see. No, on Thursday. Thursday hit 2,000, then, I mean, look, we had our losing day on Friday. But this one, that one was a good one. Tarina said, could it be that Putin had placed some short positions and just keeps moving military forces until TP? Shit. Send in the choppers. Just Strass, yes. We're gonna resubmit. We're gonna resubmit the coin to CoinMarketCap actually first. But I mean, we've held steady over the weekend. Like 5 million market cap. We were at 6 million. BNB is taking a dip, so that's why we're going down. That's why we're going down for Rucoin for a minute. But the website is starting to look real good. I gotta update that. I think it's closer to like 2 million now. But we did get the, if nobody saw it last week, we did get our first official donation in to Kids Cancer Alliance. We added Craig, a VP of Operations. And we added a new person. We're gonna have an honorary board member list. Honorary board member. Yeah, we're gonna do another donation. We're gonna do another donation on Wednesday. It'll probably be the same amount, another $1,000. Keep the donation small until we get a bigger market cap. I mean, $1,000, I mean, it's a good start, but we're gonna do a lot more, obviously, a lot more. One new donation every single week. Yeah, I emailed St. Jude yesterday too, so I'm waiting for St. Jude to email me back. St. Jude has their own crypto department. They've only raised $1 million though through crypto. I mean, that's just through random people donating. That's not crypto creators, so. I mean, shit, maybe by the end of the year we can beat this record. I mean, if we donate more than $1 million to St. Jude, that's definitely going to drive a lot of attention. Like, they even do NFTs. Like, you can create an NFT and have them as a beneficiary. That's their direct Ethereum address too. But not much to talk about this NASDAQ trade. I mean, pretty straightforward. Just gotta wait. Hey, good morning, No Limits. Hey, good morning, Cold War. What's going on Fox Business News today? Let's see what they're feeding everybody. Biden to ask for biggest Pentagon budget ever as inflation surges. I think Russia's just an excuse to fucking spend more money for the USA. You notice the scenario in the mainstream media is first they're gonna scare you with the health disease, and then They're going to try to scare people with another war. Very nice move on NASDAQ. Biden must have fell off the stairs again. That would be pretty sweet if we can hit this TP pretty soon. $1,000 would be a good morning to start Monday. Can we get there? I think so. I think so. See, how many more pips do we got? We got, this is on the 15 minute, by the way. We got about, only about 200 more pips to move. Let's go to that. Maybe look at the 5 minute. Damn, yeah, there's a shit ton of volatility today. I mean, you got this little trend line on the 5 minute. Don't give us the heartbreaker, NASDAQ. Just break that trend line, hit the TP, we'll call it in the morning. I mean, there was a nice Kangaroo Tail right there, too. Come on, break that trend line, baby. My take on gold is to buy physical gold and just hold that shit around your neck. That's my advice on gold. That's the only gold I'll buy, is real solid gold. There we go, seeing some red. Break that trend. No, but I don't trade gold because I've had some bad experiences with gold. Like, I've seen some amazing setups on gold, but I've just had bad luck with getting random wicks. Like, you get wicked on gold and then, you know, it goes down to TP. I've had that happen a lot to me on gold. So, I just preferred NASDAQ. Well, that's not a good candle. That is not a good candle. You know, I actually prefer watching it on the 15 minute. The 5 minute and 1 minute make you think some shit. No, we gotta show. We gotta pull up the M2 money stock. That's what we gotta look at. No limits. Did you close? Did you close? Look at this. Look at this inflation. M2 money stock is how much money is actually circulating and shit. M2 money stock. So. Here we are, what was that? January 2020, we're at 15.3 trillion. Then it jumped to 21 trillion. That's a 40% increase. So 40% of all US dollars printed in the last 2 years, which is fucking insane. 40%. I mean, look at the spike in money supply. And it's just going to keep going up because they want socialist programs in like states like California and shit, where they already got tons of welfare, but then they got welfare on top of welfare on top of welfare. But more people need more money. That is actually, I mean, hyperinflation is coming. It's already here. But Bitcoin's tanking right now. I think Bitcoin is finally going to go tap 30K eventually. I've been saying it for months too. How's that 4 hour looking, Mush? Yeah, see, I've been expecting Bitcoin to at least test 30K again, getting some more wicks. Like, I think there's still one more shakeout. This is going to be the final shakeout. And we can see, I mean, it had a daily bearish Kangaroo Tail, faked everybody out. Everybody's like, oh my god, bull run. But, you know, I kind of had my suspicions raised. I was like, it don't feel right. It don't feel like Bitcoin is going to go up and make new highs. Bitcoin will make new highs when NASDAQ makes new highs. Mash, you said it's selling off long term? Well, that's what I like to hear in the chat. That's what I like to hear in the chat. I haven't checked the 4 hour yet. I checked the weekly. And check the 4 hour. Yeah, I mean, we should smash TP. No problem. No problem. But it keeps wicking. Keeps wicking. Of course, I fucking say that and then it wicks right away. Ay, ay, ay. We're staring at 800 profit for a minute, and now we're back at 593. Don't do us dirty like that, NASDAQ. Don't fucking do it. See, that's why you don't fucking talk shit about a trade. Saying, oh, it's gonna smash TP easily. As soon as you say that, you're gonna get a candle like that. Ay, ay, ay. Kind of annoyed now. Kind of annoyed right now. Not good. See where the open was. Fucking A. Ugh, that's kind of brutal. That's kind of brutal, that candle right there. That was a nasty reversal. If I set break even, I'm probably certain to get hit break even. But, I mean, I could just retest up here and fall back down. 1388. I will still remain having diamond hands. It's either going to be a stop loss or a TP. No in between. I can't do break evens anymore. Break evens have cost me way too much money in the past. That's what the market wants you to do. Market wants you to be confused. It wants you to change your mind. No, I want to keep my shit set in stone. I mean, look at this. We got a wick now. We got a pretty nice wick. That's going to be a KT. That's going to be a KT. Now, I don't normally do this, but I will enter another position. I'm not sure I want to put it on that position though. I will put it in another position actually. Yeah, we'll put 100 on that. We'll put 100 on that. Oh, nice. Wait, do we? Okay, no, I was tripping. I thought we had bearish divergence, but I did put $100 on here. I know I normally just risk 500 per trade, but this is just a small add-on. I'm willing to take the risk because if it goes down, I mean, pretty nice, pretty nice. Just got to break this trend line though fairly quickly. Torino, you said don't consider close, but close 25%. Well, I mean, we could let the smaller position run. We just got to break this trend. That could be my plan. I mean, if I hit my first TP, I'll put one down here. Oops, trying to pull the other one down. That one was on 1,000. I gotta pull. It was the smaller one I was trying to get. Because this one I wanted on 1,000. Let's see. I think that's 1,000. Yeah. And then this one I'll put on the in case it breaks out. Let's find that next zone though. I like the idea of runner. We'll make the small position be a runner. Because, I mean, if we look at the 30-minute, right, there's not really an ounce of bullish signs right here. Interesting candle. Interesting candle. A lot of indecisiveness. But I'm leaning towards bearish. Here we are. We're looking at the 5-minute right now. Yeah, it's just struggling right now. Just gotta hold hard. Gotta hold hard. Whichever way it goes, I think it's just gonna bust out. Gonna bust out. And I'm hoping it's gonna bust out down. Another KT. Interesting. That's a good sign. This KT might break it out. And we've had 2 wicks. Trend line both ways. Come on, break out, baby. Break out. Come on, give us that. Do not wick. I do not want to see a wick. You got 8 seconds for the close there. 8 seconds for the close. Okay, perfect. Perfect candle. Now we want to see more red. Patience right here. What are you gonna give us, NASDAQ? Damn, shake got all fucked up. It's all foamy on the top. What the hell happened? Damn, my protein shake got all fucking airy on the top and all the fruits on the bottom, all the oats. What the hell? Now that is fucking weird. Amazing, I gotta make a new shake. What's up, Ajo? Good morning. Alright, yeah, I'll be right back. I gotta go fix this shake. I'll be right back in like 2 minutes. Alright. Doesn't look so good. Doesn't look good right now. Yeah, I do these lives every day. 6:30, 6:30, 6:30. Nice, we just hit 100 viewers. Hit a hundo. I'm trying to go for 1,000. We got early divergence. What's up, Jen? Thanks for the follow there. Nah, G, I don't get out. I don't get out. I maintain diamond hands. Trading will punish you if you change your mind mid-trade. The most dangerous thing you can do is fucking close a trade manually out. Stick with your game plan. Don't change mid-trade. Took a $100 loss on that one. Trust me, if any of one of us heard set break even, been taught wrong. You don't set break even. Break even is stupid. Usually just above, just usually at the top. I don't do too many stop losses below, like I just usually just stick above it. But on my 15 minute stop is above the last zone, 1388, around there. See what happens around 1388. Fuck, this trade is gonna take a couple hours, I feel. Maybe enough to test up here. I'm actually pretty fucking annoyed right now, to be honest. Pretty fucking annoyed. Kind of want to enter another sell, honestly. This is what I'm looking at right here. Fuck, I could take another $500 bullet here, but I risk losing 1,000 today if I do that. But if we drop down to just here, I mean, that'd be a $1,000 day. Margin. I mean, there is a bearish divergence here. We do got 5 candles sideways. Now, overall, I will keep my total losses to 500, so this is a risky one, but if it makes new highs here, I'm getting the fuck out. I mean, if it breaks this last wick, I will get out of this second position. If it breaks that wick, I gotta fucking close. KT divergence on a trend line, 5 candles to the side would not be another bad sell. God damn it. If this goes 168 and drawdown, I'm closing out. And we're going to call it a morning. If I go 116 drawdown, I'm closing out and I'm calling it for a morning. We're keeping the loss at 500. 500. Looks like we're gonna start Monday off with a loss. There was a fucking heartbreaker though earlier. That was an absolute heartbreaker. 200 pips away to our $1,000 profit. I'll tell you what though, this is why very, very few people are able to consistently keep trading NASDAQ. NASDAQ will beat your ass down. It will beat you down. 1 to 500, but it's 1 to 200 on indices. What the fuck happened here? I don't know why that moved. Yep, exactly, Blue. I'm just having flashbacks of that $2,000 trade because that was a big moment for my trading. 2,000. I mean, that's at the bar. That's at the bar. I don't know, you can look at Fox Business or Bloomberg if you pay for the subscription. Funny, NASDAQ gives you a little glimmer of hope every time it spikes down a little bit. About 99% sure, though, this will be a $500 loss morning. Out of 10 times I see this setup, how many times would I take a sell on that? Probably every time. Probably every time, to be honest. Because eventually a setup like that will explode like that. Yeah, that's pretty good. Just $1.20. You know what I think the trick is? Every time I say, oh, I'm sure this is going to hit TP, it reverses. And then every time I say, oh, it's going to hit stop loss, it reverses. Maybe I should just keep saying the opposite. What? Oh, this candle closes in 5 minutes. Yeah, this closes as it is. I mean, they're going to have another bearish Kangaroo Tail. I mean, it's pretty interesting. Not much volume yet, though. Hey, what's going on, Tony? Yeah, I'm not going to say anything about TP or stop losses ever again. Both times I said it, they reversed right away. But we still got 4 minutes for this candle close. I'm scratching my head now. I'm not going to say anything. It's been a wild ride, though. We got an M! We got an M! We do got an M. Yeah, Kangaroo Tails work on anything. Besides gold. Don't try to trade Kangaroo Tails on gold. What is up with this bullshit today? Of course, it goes off the fucking trend line. Alright, I'm gonna try it again. 99% sure it's gonna hit. Stop loss. Last time I said that, I shot down. If it goes down now, this will be the third time we survive the stop loss. Maybe third time is a charm. I'm glad I'm making some of your blood pressures go up right now. I should have my new PC built sometime next week. When I get this PC, we're going to be doing 6-hour streams, minimum. If there's any PC builders in here, this is what the new setup is going to be. Nice 16-core processor. We're going to throw some liquid cooling in it. We got a pretty badass motherboard. Plenty of RGB colors go on here. But the highlight of the PC is going to be this. Nice, Emma. Do you game? Do you play Warzone? I'm gonna buy a second one, so I got 64. I think I'm gonna go with 64 gigs. Cause we got this one right here. But we got the beast behind us, the 3080. The 3080 RTX. Y'all will get to see me rage on not only NASDAQ, but also Warzone. You should see me play Warzone. Like when I play, I don't casually play Warzone. Like when I play, I want to fucking win. We'll have to do some 1v1 challenges on Warzone. Nice corrupt. You probably were able to get a cheaper GPU than me. I remember that was like $1,500. Now it's $2,500. Yeah, I get real sweaty. Get real sweaty. I think I have close to 2,000 rebirth wins. Don't play the big map too much yet. I need a better PC for that. If I were to stream right now, I'd only be able to get 60 to 70 frames if I'm lucky. 6-core processor just doesn't cut it. Yep. WWF No Mercy ladder matches. Yeah, Henry, I remember we played a WWF ladder match and that shit lasted over an hour. Nobody won though. Or that fucking game, what is it called? All-Star Baseball 64, I think it was. $15 pips. NASDAQ, 15 pips. US30 is 20 pips. Yo, this M might complete. Like, are we saying there is a chance that this trade could still hit TP? I think there's a chance. In M we trust. In M we trust. Yeah, that baseball game shit. No, not yet. Not yet, Just. I only have a cheap ass Logitech keyboard, but I was looking at this keyboard. Let me see where it's at. Because I only am using a $30 keyboard, and like the keys have a little too much resistance, I think. I think it was the Corsair keyboard. Yeah, here we go. It was $173 keyboard. This guy. I was looking at getting this. I mean, the keys look pretty cool. I dig the colors. I love Newegg. Newegg lets you buy shit with Bitcoin. Yeah, it would. The last time I looked at Magic Keys they were like sold out. They were sold out when I tried to order one. What is Ducky? I gotta come up with a list of all Warzone players that come into my stream. We gotta get an official, we'll get an Earn with Todd Warzone private tournament going on. The winner would get some Rue coins. I was working on a better calculator layout to start. Like, obviously that's pretty plain, but this is the one that I want to pay a programmer. Like, this would look pretty badass. It'll look a little more modern, put it that way. I mean, compare that to what that looks like. And you know how, like, the position size changes? Well, as the position size changes, my goal is, I mean, as soon as you click buy, it just enters the trade. I mean, there is some script keys with this, but it's kind of slow. And having something like this where, you know, as soon as you drag the line, so hypothetically, okay, if I did have this, we'd draw the line, position size automatically changes based on where stop loss is, and based on that, if you click the green button, it's going to enter that trade based on that. And the most important thing about this calculator, though, is this. Ruse tip, maintain diamond hands at all times. Probably gonna have to pay a good chunk of money to get that design, at least $1,000 probably. Damn, the volume just ain't here. Don't the market's closed in like 2 hours too, I think. Let's see, what time? Well, I mean, obviously NASDAQ doesn't close. NASDAQ stays open. NASDAQ futures hours today. Yeah, I want to see how many of you play Warzone. Whoever plays Warzone, type in the number 1. Type in 1 if you do play Warzone. I want to get a count of how many of you actually play. I seriously want to get a Warzone tournament going. Time to make some vitamins. Right here, cheers. Cheers. No tequila today. Yo, this stuff right here is the best vitamins you can get right here. It's called Beyond Tangy Tangerine 2.0. The best vitamins you can ever get for your money. They load it up too. It's not small amounts of vitamins either. Like, I'll read this off. Vitamin A, 333%. Vitamin C, 1300%. Vitamin B12, 41,000%. 41,000%. Like, I laugh at some of the multivitamins on the market that cost more than this, and you look and they only got 100%. I mean, True Health needs more than 100% of the daily recommended values, honestly. Yep, you said, Sir Trunks, did you already pour some rum down the orange juice? I haven't even looked at B&B today yet. Well, this morning I have. But let's look at B&B right now. Yeah, that's not looking good. That trend line's still not looking good. How low could B&B go? I mean, Bitcoin's our best gauge, though. Worst case, I see B&B going down to 240. 240? Oh, that's not good either. I mean, look at that. There's some heavy bearish divergence now in B&B on this 15-minute. I mean, at first glance, I see bearish, but there is this target it could go to, of course. But looking at this, like, I'm still feeling pretty bearish on B&B. Where does that? Yeah, that divergence starts from like right there. Sir Trunks, how many ounces did you pour in that? Did you do 4 ounces of orange juice and 4 ounces of rum? Hey, what's up, Silver Master Studio? We're struggling right now with NASDAQ, seeing if we're going to get this drop. We've been in this sell since over an hour and 15 minutes now. We entered right at the open, literally. I'm proud of a lot of you for not deciding to sell any RU over the weekend, besides a couple people. I'm learning a lot about how money really affects people. Like, you don't understand markets until you actually create a market and see it unfold. About a 9% drop over the weekend. I'm not sure what happened on this wick. I think somebody tried to buy here, but one of the buys rejected. But even with that at the top, I mean, it's only at a 14% dip. So mad respect to those of you that are maintaining diamond hands with RuCoin. You know where the fuck we're going. You know where we're going. Well, let me scroll out up here. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Let's go. Yeah, there's a chance we might hit this TP finally. Fuck. I'm not going to celebrate because this thing could still wick up. I'm not going to even celebrate. No, no, no. We want to hit our 1,000. We want to hit our 1,000. Come on, we only need like 100 more pips. Alright guys, this is the time I will finally set break even. After surviving stop loss 3 different times, I think it is time. It is time. That's why we keep fucking diamond hands! That's why we fucking keep diamond hands and don't close! Let's fucking go! That felt good. That felt good. That's why we don't have... That's why we fucking have diamond hands all the time. Now, it is unfortunate I did lose those other few trades. But we're up 744 for the day. It wasn't a $1,000 profit because we took those 2 other small losses. But we did hit our $1,000 trade. We did hit our $1,000 trade. That's beautiful, isn't that? $2,000 trade there, $1,000 trade there. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Let me update that bounce. And I think another point is proven. I probably shouldn't have entered smaller... those other 2 trades, but I mean, I know a few of you wanted me to close early and whatnot. It is. All this shit was just trying to trick people out. I mean, automated computers, the smartest computers in the world, trading against you right there. Because think about it, okay? How many people do you think try to put buys in? They're like, oh my god, it's going up. They put buys in, boom, they get stopped. And then they're like, oh my god, it's going up again. They put buys in, they get stopped. And the real move finally happens. Yep, Miles, you came in right at the right time. It took me a while to figure out, because look. Let's scroll all the way back. I mean, when you look at where we started, I mean, look at this. You guys can see my errors here. Like, what am I doing closing, taking $20 profits? Like, you see, nothing is consistent here when we first started trading this account. Nothing was consistent. And then all of a sudden, you know, we're basically just break even on our account. And then here we start our, I mean, look at, in the last 2 weeks, we've hit 1, 2, 3, 4, we've hit 4 trades over $1,000. And my biggest loss was only 547 during that time. So we're keeping our risk on point. We're making progress, I'll tell you what also helps me. Not worrying about the percentage of your account. I think what really matters is your total net worth. Don't worry about your account size. Worry about your total net worth. If my total net worth was $5,000 and I only had a $1,000 account, obviously I'm not going to be risking $500 per trade. Absolutely not. But I mean, if you have about if you have a $200,000 net worth, is $500 to lose a lot in one morning? Not really. Not really. That's only like 0.25% of your net worth, maybe even a little less. What, you want to see the entry? I'll show you the entry. You want to see the entry? Let me drag it on the chart. We entered on the 15-minute. Let me draw the trend line we actually saw. It was like here. Drew this trend line up here. There was a wick right here. Our original stop loss was above here. So my stop loss was above this wick. We entered right here. And we went here. Oh, I'm done trading Rancha. I'm not taking another trade this morning. Sir Trunks, do you really play Warzone? I saw you type in a 1 there. We need some more Warzone players. We do got one YouTuber who's a Warzone player. Sir Trunks, I had 2 beers yesterday without eating dinner, and I felt pretty good while I was on Warzone. I was in the chopper. I was in the chopper a lot. I love making kids rage, just getting in the chopper and getting the cheap, easy kills in the beginning. Yo, I gotta show you something. When I first started streaming, I was playing Warzone and I was so excited to get a $50 trade. Like, I gotta show this. We gotta go back from the beginning here before we get off stream today. Let's see, clips, not clips, highlights. I gotta find this. Where's this clip at? By the way, you can go on my Twitch and look at my first highlights. When I was dead broke, I had no money. I was probably playing with like literally $5 poker account. And what did I do here? Yo, this was when I had $0. Okay, this was like right after my bankruptcy. So I got 90 cents and I'm going to the fucking casino on America's Card Room. My 90-cent bet. Let's see if it goes. And right there, that's when I was dead broke. Not enough money. See, I documented my whole fucking journey online. Like, that's epic, right? I gotta see that again. Not enough money. Ay, ay, ay. Shit. No, I got a couple Warzone clips here. I was so excited making $50. Right here. Let me pause the music. So here I am. This was on... So, I'm on a podium because this was election night. Election night. So, like, I'm looking at US30, I think.
Hold on.
And listen to how excited I get over just $54. Like,
Hold on.
trying to pull my parachute.
Hold on, we're gonna close fucking 40. How much is that? Yeah, we're gonna fucking close $60 just like that.
Cause $60, yo, I'm a fucking baller.
No, I actually closed a $54 trade. Alright, I died. Closed. I just made $54 fucking dollars in 10 seconds. No fucking joke, yo. That's
And then here I am doing $1,000 trades now. What
why I died.
a story.
No, literally, dude. I just made $54 fucking dollars in 10 seconds.
No, we've documented everything though.
In 10 seconds.
We keep everything 100% transparent. What else did I do here? I'm gonna hop off stream here in a few minutes, get some early breakfast. Trading opportunities pep talk, okay. Let's hear this. What did I say? Lots of trading opportunities. We do not realize how many opportunities we get. Well, we're getting plenty. Okay. The hell, why would I clip that? I only said 5 seconds. Okay. The hell, why would I clip that? I only said 5 seconds. Okay. Okay. Was I playing some... What was I doing here?
Chilling up. Just got one right here as well.
Oh, I made him abort. I made him fucking abort.
Yeah, we're gonna have some epic clips like this when we're playing Warzone and trading. 6-hour streams coming. Hopefully my new computer will be built by next week, and we'll do that schedule from 6:30 until the market close. Yeah, y'all, I'm gonna hop off now. Gonna make those over easy eggs, some hash browns, and some sausage. Been a good morning. Just how I want to start off a Monday. But y'all, I'm off. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. And let's get back to it tomorrow. Let's go for a $2,000 trade tomorrow. $2,000 will be the goal tomorrow. We'll hold out for 4 hours. We took our 2-hour trade today, but we'll hold out for 4 hours minimum tomorrow. 2,000. I'm gonna call it right now. $2,000 trade tomorrow. Catch you later, Just. Yeah, yep, for sure into blue. Rue coin to the moon. Yeah, Torino. You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you there, Steven.